pixelverse has listed their token and it is now trading on Bybit, BitGet, HTX, Gates.io, and MX. So in this video, I will explain and give you a guide through this project and what you need to do to be able to claim your token. So pixelverse, pixeltap, and pixvi are the same thing, just in case you don't know and you have been mixing things up. So pixelverse is the company and pixeltap is the bot that you have been mining from, while pixfi is the token that you are going to get from this mining. So I will talk about the listing date, which is today, and I will also talk about the claiming date because these are two different things. The fact that pixeltap is listing today doesn't mean that you'll be able to claim your pixfi token today. So, and I will also talk about gas fee and how to connect your wallet and the best wallet you need to connect. And lastly, I will tell you how much you can possibly earn from pixeltap. And before we proceed, can you like this video, click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you can always get notified when we drop important videos like this one. pixfi has been listed on major exchange platforms like Bybit, BitGet, HTX, Gates.io, and MX today, 18th of July 2024 at around 12 noon. And it has already been trading on spot, but as at this moment, it is not available for trade on derivative. But despite the fact that this token has been listed and has started trading, you still cannot claim your token. For pixfi, you will not receive the token at the listing date. So this is also applicable to other airdrops projects. So don't confuse the listing date with the claiming of the token because it is not the same. Though some other projects do listing and claiming on the same day, but it is not compulsory that these two things happen on the same day. So coin listing involves adding a specific token or crypto to a crypto exchange platform so that trader can buy, sell, and trade the token on the platform. So that is exactly what Bybit did with pixfi today, 18th of July 2024. And claiming of token is when you have followed laid down principles and project coin are now sent to your wallet for your activity and tasks that you've done. So according to the team behind this project, they said the upcoming TGE and airdrop are said to be one of the largest ever. That's why pixelverse is redefining airdrop distribution to ensure fairness for pixelverse community. So TGE in that sentence means that token generation event, which represents the moment when for the first time a token is generated on its ecosystem and made available to its public. So another thing they actually mentioned here is that all users to receive their NFT rewards. Pixelverse and dashboard users as of July 18 will receive NFTs based on engagement levels, claimable on July 25. So what they are trying to say here, I'm going to actually pick out 2 points. That is the engagement level and claimable by July 25. So the engagement level is that if you jump on pixelverse like 2 weeks ago or last week, you will not expect the same reward as the person that has been on pixelverse for long, like immediately when they started. So you are not going to get the same reward because I'm sure their engagement level will be more than yours, only for people that jumped on it earlier and were not serious about it. So that's a different issue. But if you just jump on this project like last week and you are expecting to get a reward like someone that has been serious with it right from start, then you are lying. It's not as if you're not going to get anything, but your reward will not be the same. So claimable on July 25 means that you are going to get your rewards on your dashboard probably today. And if there's no technical issue, you get it today. But if there's a technical issue, then it might be tomorrow, it might be next tomorrow. But you will only be able to claim this reward on July 25th. I think you get what I'm saying now. So July 18 is the listing date, is the TGE date, that is the token generation event date, but you'll only be able to claim your rewards on July 25. I think you get what I'm saying now. So that is the difference between the listing date and the claiming date. So that is for that. So, oh my, I'm very sorry about that. NEPA took the light. So how you are going to be getting your reward is actually highlighted here. And I think you'll be getting your reward based on players level, based on bot counts, levels, and completed quests. That is what is highlighted in their official notice. And they also explain how they are going to distribute this airdrop. So 10% of pixfi will be allocated to holders of rare, epic, and legendary NFTs. and 20% will also be used as an additional reward for pixelverse and pixel chain users, which will be distributed over time. So to claim your token, actually, they said is going to be gas free. That means you are not going to need a gas fee to claim your token. Though I don't know how this is going to work, but since they already said this, I think that is how they are going to do it. Probably they are going to send it to the exchange wallet that you link to your pixelverse. So I don't know how that is going to go, but so according to what is written here, they said gas free claiming via the dashboard and pixel tap mini app with auto staking for additional reward. That means that you can still stake your pixel tap to get additional rewards. So Notcoin also did this. People staked and they were able to get more Notcoin token when their staking period is done. So that's what they are trying to say here too, that you can also do auto staking for additional reward. So to be eligible for this pixfi token, you have to be in at least level 1. And that is because all accounts that are at level 0 will be deleted before this token distribution. So if you are still in level 0 and your app is still working, make sure you move from level 0 to level 1 so that you can be able to be qualified for this token. So to connect your wallet, all you have to do is to launch your pixelverse bot and you click on the wallet icon up here. So you can actually select any wallet that you want to add. You can select either Bybit, BitGet, Binance, any of it that you want to add, you can just select. And add your Binance wallet. So all you have to do right now is to go and copy your ERC20 wallet, that's your USDT ERC20. And if you do not copy your USDT ERC20, probably you went to now copy another one, then you are actually going to lose your token, because when your token is actually sent to your wallet, you will not receive it, because it is stipulated, it is written there boldly that you should add your USDT ERC20 wallet and paste it right here. You copy it from your exchange, probably it's Bybit you want to use. Go and copy your ERC20 USDT wallet, copy it from your Bybit and come and paste it here. Again, if you copy another wallet, you might lose your token. So that is why it is important for you to just do exactly as they said here. And for me, the best wallet I think you should actually connect to your pixelverse is your Bybit. Yes, is your Bybit, because Bybit is like one of the biggest exchange platforms in the world right now. So I believe that they won't get involved in projects that are not secured or uncertain. So considering the fact that pixfi is trading at 0.02 right now on Bybit, so how much you will earn from this project depends on how many points you have, the level you have reached, and how many quests you have completed. So I'm going to try as much as possible to follow up procedures and withdraw my own reward, and I'm going to make a video of it and show it to you guys in another video. So if you have any other question concerning pixelverse, you can actually reach out to me on my IG, and make sure that you join my Telegram channel. Link to both will be in the description of this video. See you in another video.